buzzing here. Next 90 minutes should be captivating. It's Son Costa. And it's opened up here. Oh, that's confident goalkeeping there. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. It's with the striker, Pedro. Neymar. It's Son. And that's well out. Well cut out. Safety first. Back to the goalkeeper. The ball played back. Striker's ball. Messi. What a well-timed tackle. Neymar. It's Son. Oh, that's a foul. We all know what this player can do from this kind of set piece. Oh, there's an opening here. Easy for the goalkeeper there. Keeper sends it long. Well intercepted. Messi. It's with the striker. That's good link-up play. Messi off the woodwork. So close. Let's see that one again. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Rodriguez. Played in field. And with the defender now. Ocampos. Cleared upfield. Oh, well intercepted. Messi. And tackled well by Varane. Neymar. It's with the defender now. Fazio with the clearance. Striker's ball. Danilo tackles. Half time then. Let's hope for some goals in the second half. On a few substitutes for the second half. And with the defender now, Fazio. Defender then back on the ball. Ocampos. Here's Traore. Striker's ball. Well timed and good defending. Ball across the line, it's out of play. And that's a throw-in. And he's launched the ball into the box. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Ocampos. Messi. Good. Can he finish it? He goes for goal. And that is a fantastic goal. Let's take another look at that. Players have finished celebrating and we're back underway. Oh, that's a rash challenge there. They're already losing. They don't want to go further behind. So they best get this away soon. Here's Rabiot. Not a good tackle at all. Need to be making the goalkeeper work from here. Great chance here. Oh, it's a clear chance. Fazio with the clearance. Well read. It's Son. Strikers, can he get a shot in? Sends it forward. This is Witsel. Oh, well timed. Ocampos. Martinez. This team are really going for it. Messi. Regains possession, and now they'll try and break. Silva. Nicely played. Not long left. Can they see out the result? Messi. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. Here's Traore. What a well-timed tackle. Oh, determined challenge there. Sends it lost. Ocampos. Here's Traore. What an opportunity. That chance has gone. He should be hitting the target. Let's see that again. Launched upfield by the keeper. And he's looking